A new set of rules in Formula One always makes people excited. And as the 2026 season gets closer, everyone is watching Ferrari. After years of hope that ended in disappointment, the feeling from the team's factory in Maranello is now a quiet and strong belief in themselves. The SF-26, their new car, had a nearly perfect time in preseason testing. It was very reliable and showed some clever new ideas. Most importantly, the team's drivers, seven-time champion Lewis Hamilton and the very talented Charles Leclerc, are both showing a level of happiness and confidence that has been missing for a while. This isn't the loud and often wrong excitement of past years. This is a calm belief that comes from a good winter of hard work and a car that looks like it can really compete. Lewis Hamilton's mood has been a big topic all winter. His first year with Ferrari in 2000 was a tough time of getting used to things, a year spent learning about a new team and a car he never felt comfortable with. The difference going into 2026 is huge. Hamilton has talked a lot about a personal and professional fresh start, a winter spent getting his body and mind back in top shape. This new positive feeling is not just personal, it's also because he feels more connected to the team and, most importantly, to the car. He has said many times how much he was involved in making the SF-26, a car that he says has his DNA in it. This is very different from 2025 when he was given a car that was already designed. Being able to help shape the car's design with his old colleague from Mercedes, Leclerc, who is now a technical boss at Ferrari, has given him a feeling of ownership and a deep belief in the project. His trust in the team is complete, and he is fully dedicated to the long-term plan of bringing Ferrari back to the top of the sport. This plan, which started with the hard choice to stop working on the 2005 car early, is now showing good results. The SF-26 has been a real workhorse in testing, driving a huge 6,200 kilometers without any big problems. This reliability is the solid base you need to fight for a championship. It has let the team do their full testing plan, learning about the car and its new aerodynamic parts, like the flip wing that everyone is talking about. The strong start is proof of the better planning and quality control at Maranello, under the leadership of Fred Vasseur. Charles Leclerc, now in his 8th year with the team, is a driver with a clear goal. At 28, he is at his best and knows that it's time to deliver. His now or never comment at the end of 2025 was a clear signal to the team, and they have listened. Leclerc has been clearly happy with the performance of the SF-26, a car that seems both fast and, very importantly, easy to drive. His manager, Nicholas Todd, has confirmed this, saying that Charles has a positive attitude. He's happy to be back behind the wheel. The driver from Monaco is himself excited by the chance the new rules give, hoping that Ferrari will be the team that will manage to make the difference. For Leclerc, who has seen another young driver, Lando Norris, win a championship, the wish to win a title for the Ferrari fans is a huge motivation. Team principal Fred Vasseur has been the one to build this new sense of purpose. His calm and direct leadership has brought a new level of focus to the team. While he is quick to say that testing lap times don't mean much, his happiness with the team's work is clear. He has successfully changed the team's focus from quick results to a long-term development plan. This is a big change for a team that has often been criticized for reacting too quickly to problems. His focus on the team's ability to develop during the whole season, not just the result of the first race, shows a smart plan that is good for a long championship fight. The results on the track during testing support this quiet belief. Leclerc's fastest time on the final day, a full 0.879 seconds faster than Norris, was a clear sign of the car's speed. While you have to be careful with testing times, the way the SF-26 got that time was what really impressed people. The car looked stable, with great grip and a strong front end, letting him attack the corners with confidence. The fact that the car was also forgiving, letting him save a high-speed slide that might have ended in a crash in past years, is a big step forward in how easy it is to drive. Also, the team's consistently fast practice starts to suggest they have a strong weapon for the start of a race. The new rules have made the cars lighter and quicker to turn, which seems to be perfect for both Hamilton and Leclerc. Hamilton has enjoyed driving a car that is more fun to drive and easier to correct, letting him use all his car control skills. Leclerc's sharp and aggressive style is also a great match for a car that responds more quickly. A car that gives its drivers confidence is a car that can be pushed to its absolute limit, and the SF-26 seems to be giving its drivers that belief. The way the team works together also seems to be very good. The arrival of Leclerc has clearly been a good thing, giving Hamilton a technical expert he trusts, and making the whole engineering team stronger. The driver pairing itself is amazing. In Hamilton, Ferrari has a proven champion, a driver with more experience than almost anyone who knows how to win. In Leclerc, they have one of the fastest drivers of his generation, a man who is desperate to succeed in a red car. While Hamilton is going for a record 8th title, Leclerc is trying to win his first. This creates a shared goal that could push the team to do great things. The story of wanting to prove something is strong for both of Ferrari's drivers, but for different reasons. For Hamilton, 2006 is about securing his place in history. After the tough end to the 2021 season and a hard move to Ferrari, winning a record 8th world title would be the perfect answer, proving he is the greatest of all time. For Leclerc, it's about finally showing what he can do. He has the speed and the love of the fans. What he has been missing is a car that can fight for the title all season long. The SF-26 is his best chance yet. The relationship between these two great drivers, one chasing history and the other his dream, will be one of the most interesting parts of the season. How they work together, pushing the team forward without letting their own goals cause problems, will be key to Ferrari's success. The pressure on Fred Vasseur to manage this and the huge hopes of the team is massive. The Frenchman's leadership style, which is calm and direct, seems to be exactly what Ferrari needed. He has successfully protected the team from the huge outside pressure that has often caused problems in the past. He has created a place where engineers and drivers can focus on their jobs. His big bet to give up on the 2025 season was a risk that could have gone wrong. The fact that the SF-26 is a strong car is proof that his long-term plan was right. But he knows this is just the start. The real test of his leadership will be how the team handles the problems that will surely come in a long season, and how they keep up with their rivals in the race to develop the car. From a technical side, the SF-26 is a very interesting car. The new aerodynamic ideas are the most obvious signs of the team's new creativity, but the real strength of the car might be its engine. Ferrari's choice to use a smaller turbo, which some people doubted at first, seems to have worked well. It has made the car easier to drive and, very importantly, helped with the new difficult start procedures. Being able to get the turbo working quickly and reliably is a big advantage, as shown by the team's fast practice starts. This, along with the car's good aerodynamics, makes for a strong all-around car. The challenge for other teams will be to figure out and beat this smart design. The road ahead will be long and difficult, but he knows this is just the start. The real test of his leadership will be how the team handles the problems that will surely come in a long season, and how they keep up with their rivals in the race to develop the car. From a technical side, the SF-26 is a very interesting car. For the first time in a long time, the future for Ferrari looks not just hopeful, but clear.